Hi beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing great. My name is Neche Ume. You are highly welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I made this amazing, beautiful, delicious coconut milk vegetable rice. Oh yes. But first, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So join me in the kitchen and let's cook. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. 1 medium size of fresh tomato, a half cup of sliced spring onion, a cup of chicken breast already sliced, some strands of green beans, few carrots, 3 cups of Nigerian rice, 2 spoons of coconut oil, 1 whole coconut, and then some salt to taste. I started by washing the rice with lukewarm water for about 3 to 5 times. I will wash it until the water runs clear. Washing the rice this long helps to get rid of extra starch and for the rice not to stick. I will also show you some tips and tricks of separating coconut shell from the flakes. Soak the rice for 20 to 30 minutes in a lukewarm water for even cooking. The water is now clear, so I will set it aside to use later. While the rice is soaked, I'll break the coconut to separate the shell from the flesh. I will then be breaking it into pieces and then place it on the stove top, just like roasting it, because it helps to separate the flesh from the shell. This method enriches the coconut with a smoky flavor. You can use oven or microwave to remove the shell as well. You see, it's so simple and easy. I will be using grater to shred it into tiny pieces before I transfer to the blender to blend it smoothly. I'm done shredding it. I'll put in the blender, add water and then blend. Either use a sieve to drain or a cheesecloth, anyone you choose to. The coconut milk is ready. I will keep it aside to use later. I'll also drain the rice now, keep it aside to use later. Place the pot on the stove, add in the coconut oil and add in the spring onion as well. Give it a quick stir, add in the chopped chicken breast or any meat of your choice. Fry for 2 minutes, Then add the coconut milk. Sprinkle some salt, then cover. Allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's time to add the rice. I will add the rice, mix it very well, cover, allow it to cook for more 15 minutes. While it's cooking, I will cut the green beans into small size. I have cut the carrots into cubes and I set it aside. The rice is almost done. At this point, I'll be adding the peas, the green beans and carrots. Give it a quick mix, then cover, allow it to cook for 2 minutes for the veggies to be tender. But if you want the veggies to be crunchy, just cook for a minute. I top it up with fresh tomato to improve the flavor and nutrient. And our rice is done. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.